Let's try in the center. Oh, the best center and Russian at it again. Charleroi coming to the grandstand side. Smoke is still rolling in the middle of the field. Oh, we got Washington! Trinity and Washington with a side hit. That is Trinity with no front end, smoke rolling, and still under power out there tonight. Rainbow's getting a nice run for it. Washington County out back to the grandstand side. Charleroi just slipping by. Trinity with a miss. Oh, Washington just ran it all the way to the back wall. We got frames coming off all over the place here tonight.
Oh, look at that one smoking.
Washington about to
push.
push.
We're going to push it into the wall. Oh, man.
Trinity all the way back. And 3 buckets.
That work's getting smashed now. He's stuck against the wall. That works. Oh! Did you hear the tire blow up? That's what that boom
Sounded
was.
like somebody just lost one out in the middle.
I don't know where that was. No, my bus keeps wrecking into me.
Wow.
Oh, here comes Washington up the middle.
No, I'm mine. You're missing.
Trinity up on one side. Oh, we can have a roll over here tonight, folks. Trinity into Washington. Charleroi, Burgestown, Cherry, into Charleroi. 4-buck crash. As Trinity just gets out of the way. Washington's chasing them. Washington with a nice run at Trinity. Trinity gets away. Avella now up the middle. Peters Township with a good push into the wall. Oh, Washington got in on that one big time.
That's Kensley's.
Into the wall.
That's Kensley's right there still going. They're tough.
Peters Township takes Charleroi all the way to the back corner beside California.
Or mine's stuck.
Peters Township.
Mine's broke
big
down.
hit.
I think.
Peters Township running like a madman out there.